What up, boss up, baby? I am here at the dealership getting the oil change on Leroy in the SUV. But I want to bring you guys some content while I'm waiting, and I got a good side hustle for you to kick back, put your feet up, and make some money. What I'm talking about feet finders, a way to sell feet pics. No, this is not XXX rated stuff. It's not OnlyFans, but kind of be related to OnlyFans. Men, women can do this as well, not just for women, but primarily to people who make the most money off of feet pics are women. So let's get into it. Let me show you around the feetfinder.com website and show you that you can actually make some side income by selling feet pics. Let's go. All right, let's get into it. Feet Finder website. Here we go. So, Feet Finders, you see it. View, buy, sell feet pics. It's that easy, that simple. You want to view and buy? Click here. You want to sell? Click here. I already have an account. Sign in. I don't have an account. I don't plan on buying or selling any feet pics, but I got a YouTube channel. So you click there, go to the YouTube page. See all the people that's selling pics. You see majority of them are women. Women are the majority sellers and men are majority buyers of feet pics. I don't know why people love doing feet pics, but here you go. Then you got heels, sole, they got different categories. And we got men feet pics. So, probably be selling feet pics to another man. I don't see many women buying men's feet pics, but there's a kink, there's a fetish for everything. So here we go. So here's the payout. Sellers, 90% payout on all sales. That's incredible commission. I think you set your tier to where you want to sell it. Here are some of the models. Beautiful women. Oh, Megan Fox. So let's see if I want to be a seller. What's this about? Okay, let's go back here. Greatly increased ability of sellers making. We are now starting a subscription of $4 for all new sellers. Oh man. Launch major marketing campaigns and all this stuff. Okay, so you gotta pay a subscription of $15 a year just to sell pics to make money. Probably having too many people just flooding the site, not really selling anything, not really uploading, just clogging up server space. So I understand. I do have to pay. Just makes sense. Cost to run the website. They say going to give you marketing, but probably not. Insurance benefits. Oh wow. Gig worker solutions, insurance. They got insurance packages for gig workers. Okay. I'll explore that website a little later. But yeah, so that's feet finders. Basically, you upload your feet and make money. Not too hard, not overcomplicated. So until next time, boss up, man. I'm gonna give you guys more than just courier work, more than just the standard gigs. I'm gonna find all kinds of ways to make money. So don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Till next time, we go.